Are you looking for the best drones for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for beginners the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini 2. Price $449. Battery 5200 mAh. Camera resolution 12 MP. Video quality 4K/30 FPS video. Range 10 kilometers. Weight. Flight time 31 minutes max. Wind resistance level 5 wind resistance. Controller included, also supports iOS/Android mobile application and works with DJI app. Under 249G, no registration is required. 1. Travel light and skip registration for a user-friendly, easy-to-carry experience on all your journeys. Enjoy the fun of flying without the tedious application process and waiting time. Unleash stunning vertical videos in 4K/60 FPS HDR, perfectly showcases sunrise, sunset, and night scenes with impressive clarity. Share videos instantly without the need for post-cutting. Enjoy high-quality footage straight out of the camera. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing for enhanced safety. With precise detection capabilities in all directions, you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will better detect obstacles. Worry less about collisions when flying, even first-time users. Uninterrupted flights with extended battery life. Experience extended battery life for uninterrupted, longer flights. 3. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Let nothing hold you back as you explore vast landscapes. Immerse in real-time aerial footage with 20 km FHD video transmission. 2. An essential for long flights and great high-quality visuals. Experience lag-free image transmission, immersing yourself in real-time aerial views like never before. Customize intelligent tracking with ease. Take control of your drone's tracking trajectory with the new Active Track 360 degrees. Achieve complex and seamless operation effects. Even if you're a beginner, getting started and capturing smooth videos is effortless. Includes DJI Mini 4 Pro, DJI RC2, 134 minutes flight time battery, and more. Get precise control with DJI RC2 featuring a bright screen. Monitor essential info in real time while flying the drone. Notes: the relevant regulatory requirements may vary depending on how you use your drone. For your safety, be sure to check and strictly follow the latest local laws and regulations before flying. Immersive flight experience. Unlock immersive flight with DJI RC Motion 2 and DJI Goggles 2 or DJI Goggles Integra, sold separately. Enjoy the real-time camera view transmitted from the aircraft and control the flight with just a slight turn of the wrist, delivering a new and exciting FPV flight experience. Suitable for beginner-level flyers. Number 2. Rise Teo. Battery 1100 mAh. Camera resolution 5 MP. Video quality 720p HD. Range 100 m. Weight. Flight time 13 minutes max. Wind resistance. Do not fly in winds over 5 miles per hour. Controller supports iOS/Android mobile application. Suitable for budget-friendly beginner flyers. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Battery 2453 mAh. Camera resolution 1 MP. Video quality 4K/60 FPS. Range 8 to 12 kilometers. Weight. Flight time 34 minutes max. Wind resistance level 5 resistance. Controller. Suitable for beginner-level flyers with a good budget. Carefree creation. Weighing less than 249G, Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Diagonal length, 247 mm, transmitter power, EIRP, 2.400-2.4835 GHz, 8 dBm. Antennas, 1T2 or operating temperature, -10 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Seriously pro shots. Capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K/60 FPS video and 48 MP photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery, night and day. Perfect portraits in a tap. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. Sweet airtime. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and capture and explore more of your surroundings. Upgrade to the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately, and enjoy carefree exploration for up to 47 minutes. Fly with confidence. DJI Mini 3 Pro features tridirectional obstacle sensing and APS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. Create and share on the go. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features including focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, quick transfer, and more. Includes DJI RC-in-1, allowing you to pack light and enjoy the creative experience. Immersive flight experience. Enjoy immersive flights with DJI Goggles 2, Goggles Integra, and RC Motion 2. Fly with goggles and a motion controller for real-time camera transmission and effortless control. Experience a thrilling FPV flight. Max tilt angle forward, 40 degrees, backward, 35 degrees, S mode. Number 4. Autel Evo Nano Plus : Battery 2250 mAh. Camera resolution 5 MP. Video quality 4K/30 FPS. Range 8 km. Weight. Flight time 28 minutes max. Wind resistance level 5 wind resistance. Controller. Suitable for low light and night photography. Small and lightweight. Evo Nano Plus drone is designed to be small and lightweight, making it easy to carry and transport. It weighs just 249 grams, making it exempt from registration requirements. Equipped with front, behind and bottom sensors that enable it to detect obstacles in its path and avoid them automatically. 1/1.28 CMOS and 50 million pixels. The 4K drone Evo Nano Plus is packed a 1/1.28-inch, 0.8-inch CMOS sensor capable of 50 MP photos. RYYB color filter array design with a large aperture of f/1.9 offers superior noise reduction capabilities and the power to effortlessly produce quality images in low light conditions. Track fast-moving subjects with incredible precision through PDAF plus CDAF autofocus system. Squeeze rich detail from shadows and highlights no matter how extreme the lighting conditions using HDR mode, which rapidly snaps several photos at different exposures so they can be stitched together in post-production. Easy to use. Evo Nano Plus drone is designed to be easy to use, even for beginners. It comes with a user-friendly app, Autel Sky, that allows users to easily control the drone and access its various features. The drone also features one-button takeoff and landing, making it easy for users to get the drone in the air and bring it back safely. Package includes standard bundle, aircraft, including battery, propellers and gimbal cover, remote control, power adapter, USB-C charging cable, connectors, spare screws, screwdriver, propeller holder, user manual. Number 5. DJI Avata. Battery 2420 mAh. Camera resolution 48 MP. Video quality 4K/100 FPS. Range 10 km. Weight. Flight time 13 minutes max. Wind resistance level 5 wind resistance. Controller. Suitable for professional grade videos. Experience the thrill of flying. Enjoy total immersion and intuitive control with DJI Avata. When you combine Avata with the goggles and motion controller, flight becomes accessible to all. Flight has never been easier. With the DJI motion controller, intuitive flight is in your hands. Squeeze the trigger and bolt forward or turn a corner with the swivel of your wrist. Ultra-smooth 4K footage. Avata features an upgraded camera system so that no extra attachments are needed. Enjoy next-level imagery with the 1/1.7-inch sensor, 155 degrees FOV, and flightship stabilization. Palm-sized and agile, the lightweight and compact design of Avata makes it easy to carry and more capable of agile maneuvers. Fly between gaps, though branches, and take it with you on any adventure. Be bold, fly far. Avata offers an impressive 18-minute flight time and upgraded safety. With the built-in propeller guard, it can handle minor contact, stay in the air, and keep on flying. Backed by flagship transmission, get a sharp and responsive HD live feed with DJI O3 Plus video transmission at distances of up to 10 kilometers. Note, includes the new DJI RC Motion 2 remote controller and the ultra-comfortable DJI goggles Integra, making it a wonderful and cost-effective choice for immersive flight.